This is a short tutorial showing you how to download and analyze transactions from your Compac USB fuel management system. Whether you have a Compac USB DCA connected to multiple pumps or hoses, or an all-in-one standalone Compac ComFuture, the process to download the transactions is the same. Simply insert the supplied USB key into the USB port and use the arrow keys to scroll to Get Trans on the display. Press the tick key to confirm your selection and wait until the display tells you that it's safe to remove the key. Now insert the key into your PC. The USB should appear as a new drive on your PC, and after you browse to its location, the first thing to do is to open this transjoin.exe. This opens up this dialog box here, and basically when you hit this button it will collect all the information from the card and card user file and populate it to the transaction file. If you get this message here showing that it's completed, then you know that it has, and you can close this program. The transactions can be found in the transaction file, and files following the transjoin.exe are posted into this post-process file. Here you can see the file that we've just created, and if we open that, it takes us to Excel. Here you can see that the transaction file basically contains a transaction on each line. So each transaction here is given a unique reference number. We can see that the amount that the person was charged when they filled their vehicle, the quantity of fuel that they took, which hose they took it from, what product it was that they took, which pump they used, of course their card number that they used to authorize the fuel management system. We get a time and date stamp that the transaction took place. If we prompt for odometer, we get the odometer reading that the customer inputs into the fuel management system. Along with that, we also get their user ID. This is the 4-digit number that they inputted to identify themselves as driving the vehicle. So these are the standard columns that you get. In addition to that, we get the additional information that we've loaded into our card and card user file. So obviously with each transaction I can now see which the registration of the vehicle that filled up and which cost center it came from. In addition to that, from the user ID I've been able to determine who was actually filling the vehicle up at the time. This file can be manipulated and imported into your accounting package any way you like, but there are some additional things that you can do within Excel to do some analysis. For example, if I use the filters feature within Excel, I can actually choose to filter these transactions by the cost center, giving me just those transactions. I can further filter those down using just the registration. And alternatively, if I turn all these back on, I can filter by, say, the driver of the vehicle. So this enables me to do some quick analysis about my fuel usage between cost centers, vehicles and employees for a set period of time. Thank you for watching this presentation. Remember to contact our help desk via email or our 1-800 number if you have any issues with your Compac system.